Hey, what's up guys, it is me Suryansh. I hope you guys are doing great. And today I have built a project on NFT, and it is a dynamic NFT project that I recently learned from Patrick, and I just wanted to make my own version of it. So I've been working on it from like 4 hours. If you just want to watch all of it, how I built it, you are free to do so. There is another video attached in this post, so you can watch it from there. Now we are only going to see how it works, and it is going to be completely amazing. So I will be deploying it in right against you. Okay, so let's see on the screen. I'm going to do forge deploy. Okay, deploy that. Sorry, script deploy, and I need to supply a RPC URL, and I will deploy it using a particular private key. Okay, so yeah, first of all I have this saved in my enp file, so RPC URL, and for the private key I will do this. I know you shouldn't paste it in the open, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay, so now it is deployed. I should have done the broadcast. I haven't done the broadcast on it. Okay, now it's completed. We have deployed the transaction. Here is the contract address. I have to copy this, and I will call it we'll call this function using a private key, but not this. So I have to do cast send now. Cast send contract address, and I have to put the name of the function that I will be calling. So here it is. Okay, then I have to supply private key that I will be deploying it using. So it was stored inside my private key, yes. And now it will be minted. Okay, so it got minted. Now you can see here when I'm copying this and I'm importing this NFT, so it is on Anvil chain here, and the token ID is right here. Here we have got a very cool NFT that I just made. Okay, so it was really cool when I saw this, an on-chain NFT that reflects a mood or vibe. I made it somewhat like a music kind of icon, because it looked good and it looks at least like an NFT, so I thought, why not? Okay, I also removed the background for the easier, like there will not be so much data conversion and all kind of things. I removed the background. I just kept it the way it is. Okay, it looks better, right? There is no background, so it's cool. Anyway, now I want to change the color of it. What about what if we change the color? Okay, so first of all I will just copy the contract address right here just to save it, so that it will be easier to import. So what I'm gonna do, I just need to do this. Okay, and here I will just do change the mood. Okay, and I will do uint 256 here, and I will supply the token ID. Something is different. What happened? Change the mood. Oh yeah, because I used that wrong function for that. Change the vibe. Let's change the vibe. Now it should work. Yeah. And now when I just remove this NFT, and when I just come back here and import this NFT once again, it's gonna be something different. Let's see. Okay, so it became a flamey hot vibes. That's so cool. But what if I like the greeniness or forest like vibes? What if I want to do that? There is nothing a problem. Okay, there's nothing like a problem. We can do that too. But how? Well, by just doing this. Change vibe to green. I guess that was the function name that I used. So change vibe to green. Yeah, no, not here. To green. Yeah, let's go. And now when I just do the same thing, I will remove this NFT, I will take this NFT, I will import the NFT, doing the same thing one more time. Here we go, and we must have got the green color, minty green vibes NFT. I think it's pretty cool, and it was really amazing when I was making it. I had some of the mistakes when I was just making it, that when I deployed it just before, like when the video ended, I was just completely exhausted. So I just took a little bit of time and also just understood what I was doing wrong. So I didn't convert these images to SVG images to URI, like Base64 URI. So that was the point when the image was deployed, but it wasn't looking like this. It looked like a broken image, but now I fixed it. So yeah, making this all in just a day took me a while, but it was amazing. Now I'm really happy. So I will also be deploying this probably on my GitHub. And one more thing, that I also wrote all of the tests in here. So you can see that I took some of the help of AI in writing the test, because tests are usually easier to do, and you can easily take the help to write them with AI. Okay, and rather I want to show you one more thing, that I took forge coverage to over 90%, means it is almost 95 for both of them. I can take it to 100, but I think it's not worth the effort. I think I've tested most part of it, and I know there are almost none mistakes. I'm not arrogant about it. There can be in case some mistake, but I'm pretty sure there are none. I took a lot of time to do all of it. Okay, so I guess you must have liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.